guys, this is Glitzy Glam again. I am organizing my freezer. I have a small deep freezer, and it needs to be, first it needs to be defrosted. What I use to defrost it quickly is I unplug it and I pour warm water in on the edges of the ice so that when it does finally drop and detach from the sides and falls to the bottom, I'm able to pick it up and throw it outside, and then all that water that's in the bottom I get to soak it up with some towels and clean the bottom out real good, and then I take a foaming bleach cleaner and I foam and bleach the whole inside of my freezer and get it nice and clean, and then I use a clean towel and dry it out real good. What I did this year though is I bought some containers that I'm going to use to organize, and I will show you that in the rest of the video. This is my freezer. I'm thinking of ways to organize it better as well. So when I do find a solution, you'll be the first to know. Bought these containers at the Dollar Tree. The only narrow ones they had left were these green ones, so we have green ones. I have divided out the fish in the first two, vegetables in the next two, chicken and chicken pizzas. Then I have hamburger patties, and then fruits and some pizza rolls. And then in this basket here I have butter, cheese, and ham and a pizza crust. And then I'm now defrosting the freezer so I can clean it really good, and then we will attempt to organize this freezer. I figured these baskets would be easier to pull the food in and out of, and they will still stack on top of each other like that. So I think this is going to work out perfectly for my freezer. And of course, if it doesn't, next year we'll make another organizing video with another plan. Frosted and cleaned out with bleach and dried, and now I'm going to go ahead and put all the containers back in. The spots you see in there is some areas that were damaged. I thought it was some food that had stuck to the sides, but it's a little damage on the side of my freezer. But everything's going to be in containers, and I'll show you what it looks like when I get it finished and reorganized inside the freezer. Now here it is with all the little stackable bins in place, nice and clean. It's not exactly perfectly the way I wanted it because I didn't want the white bin in there, but I didn't grab enough of the lime green bins to put the other items in, but I will. But we've got 2 bins of fish, 2 bins of chicken, ham, cheese, and butter, and then 2 bins of vegetables. The white lid covered bin is baked goods like pudding mix and chocolate chips and pecans, stuff like that that I don't want to. I want to stay fresh for the next time I bake because I don't bake very often. And then our low carb pizzas, which are made out of chicken crust. They're stacked on top because frankly we need to eat them And so that's what I have, and I hope you like this organizing video. My garage will be next, whenever it gets cooler though. But I'm doing the laundry room next, and then when it gets cooler I'll work on the entire garage. But thanks for watching.